Hi guys, ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦ ꯗꯦꯖꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯞꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯩꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯝꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯔꯗꯔꯗꯣ ꯇꯧꯁꯦꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯀ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ. So basically what I'm trying to say was like, we have been traveling around for a while and I met an amazing person, like you have a lot of good personalities. So what we're trying to do right now is like, I'm going to teach you my language, right?
Okay.
And you're going to teach me yours. And all the time when I do that, I have prizes, which I don't have anything for now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
We will
So,
make something.
yeah. Let's see who's more sharp, like you or me.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go first, right? Okay. How to say how are you in my language? Nang.
None.
Yeah. Like let's make it a
Okay.
little bit
Is this
louder.
it? Nang.
No. It's not
Okay.
it.
Okay. I suppose.
Yeah.
And now it goes.
Okay. Nang.
None.
Nang.
Nang.
Nungai.
Oh my God.
Nungai.
Nugay.
Ribo.
Ribo.
Yeah, perfect. That's nice.
Okay.
Okay, say it one more time. Full.
Nang.
Yeah.
Nubay.
Nungai.
Nugay.
Ribo.
Ribo.
That's cool. Yeah, tell me yours now.
Kakosi.
Come on, Kakusi. Oh, wait, that's so easy, bro. That's so easy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. In a very respectful way, right? So where are you from, right? Adom.
Adom.
Kai.
Kai.
Waidagino.
Vaidegino.
Yeah, Adom.
Adon.
Kai.
Kai.
Waidagino.
Vaidegino.
Yeah, try to say it all.
Okay. Adon.
Yeah.
Kai.
Yeah.
Vaidegino.
Perfect. That is
Oh,
amazing.
that's
This girl is smart. Yeah. It's your
Okay.
turn.
Odaklasi.
Oh my god, it's so easy. Odaklasi.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want to go to your country right now. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. Let me try a little harder. Okay, those, yeah, I'm gonna tell you where are you from, right? Oh, I think I just
No,
did.
no, we
I
just
just
did.
did. I'm gonna tell you like what have you had? Like what have you had? Like what have you had in your meal, right?
Okay.
It's kind of a cultural thing, right? When you meet someone in my culture, you don't really say, "Hey, how are you?" first. You say, "Hey, like yeah, we say how are you," but the next thing is like you wanna just food is something really close to
Okay.
us. So like, "Hey, how are you?" Like, what have you had? Something like that, just
Like what have you been
eaten.
eating?
Yeah. Not have you been eating, but like have you eaten for that day, like.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's
yeah.
strange.
That's crazy. Like everyone like. Okay. Adom,
Adon.
ngasigi,
Nasi.
kay
Kai.
insang,
Insang.
charage.
Oh my God. Charage.
Yeah, perfect. But it's like, I'll divide it two parts, right?
Okay.
Adom ngasigi,
Adon nasi.
kay insang,
What?
kay insang,
Kai insang.
insang,
Insang. Oh.
Okay, you gotta try it hard. You can't just give up, bro.
I already forgot the first part.
Kay insang,
Kai insang.
charage.
Charage.
Perfect. That's nice.
Yeah.
I wouldn't tell you to tell the whole part because
Yeah, I can, don't make me embarrassed.
Okay, tell me
Okay.
your.
But it's very strange. We never ask each other. In
Yeah,
Serbia,
that's-
something like that.
Yeah,
But
we
it
never
would
did.
be
Yeah,
like,
it's really unique because whenever I travel around, like this is something they're like, oh really? Like yeah. So yeah, go ahead.
Šta si jeo danas?
Stasio Danas.
Yeah. Šta si jeo danas?
Stasio Danas. Why is your language so easy? Like,
Yeah,
haven't-
it's very easy for you to pronounce everything.
yeah, it's not just me. Like, it's really easy. It's
Yeah.
pretty short.
Yeah, it's short.
It's
That's
so easy. Like, because I've done French, Spanish, Japanese, Korean. Like, everything was challenging for me. This is the first time I'm like going ham. Like, bam, 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 bam.
I'm happy that you are feeling good about yourself.
Yeah.
But then
I'm proud of myself.
people usually say for Serbian language that it's hard. The grammar is hard.
The
yeah.
grammar.
Yeah, but not like pronunciation. It depends where you're from.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Give
I'll
me
go.
something.
I'll go to the next one. I'll tell you, like, for the viewers, like, for just make it interesting. How do you say I love you?
Okay.
Okay.
But you need to tell it with emotion.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm joking. Yeah.
Ai. Ai.
Hai.
Ai.
Ai.
Ah, yeah. Ai. Nangu.
Nangu.
Nusi.
Nusi.
Ai.
Ai. Nangu. Nusi.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah,
You want to try it out in the full center?
Ai. Nangu. Nusi.
Yeah, I love you too.
You have to say volim ja tebe.
Okay, in your language?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It means like I love you too.
Okay. Okay, how do you say that?
Volim
Volume?
ja
Yeah.
tebe.
Tebe. Oh, okay. Volume, yeah, tebe.
Volim.
Volume, yeah, tebe.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, I love you too. Okay, I'm going to the next one. I don't know how to say it. Like, okay, I'm gonna make it interesting. Okay. How do you say how do you say what's your name in your language, right? Now I'll tell you my language first. In a pretty respectful way. Adomgi,
Adongi,
Ming,
Ming,
Kari,
Kari,
Kauge.
Kauge.
Yeah.
Adongi,
Ming,
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 Kari,
Kauge. Kauge.
Kauge.
Yeah, Adongi Ming Kari Kauge. Adongi Ming Kari Kauge.
Adongi, Ming, Kari, Kauge.
Perfect. For the first time, you're writing full sentence.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you say in your language?
Kako si zoveš?
Kako ti zoveš? Yeah. Yeah. Like one of you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I learned so much. I think she was amazing. 'Cause she was really great. And thank you guys so much. And yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching Live with Beard.